Are you looking for the best track saw reviews in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best track saw reviews that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, WEN Plunge Cut Track Saw. The WEN Rip Fence is a great addition to any shop. This fence allows you to rip boards up to 2 1/3 inches thick with clean, splinter-free cuts. You can also create 45-degree bevel cuts in boards up to 1 5/8 inches thick. This fence is perfect for ripping boards or for performing internal plunge cuts. The WEN Rip Fence includes a 6.5-inch 24-tooth carbide-tipped blade 165 mm with a 20 mm arbor. This fence is also compatible with the WEN CT1065 100-inch track and the WEN CT992F track saw clamps. At number 2, Makita Plunge Circular Saw. The DeWalt DWS780 is a top-of-the-line 12.0 amp corded miter saw. It's one of the most powerful miter saws on the market, and it's also one of the most accurate. The DWS780 has a precision-accurate cutting blade that delivers a splinter-free mirror finish. It also has an electronic speed control that maintains a constant speed under load, so you can be sure your cuts are always smooth. The DWS780 also has a built-in current limiter to help prevent motor burnout. And for added safety, the DWS780 has a soft start feature that gradually increases the speed of the blade when you start it up. The DWS780 has a large cutting capacity, February 3, 16-inch at 90 degrees and January 9, 16 at 45 degrees, so it can handle even the toughest jobs. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line miter saw, the DeWalt DWS780 is the saw for you. At number 3, Evolution Track Saw. The DeWalt DWS780 is a top-quality miter saw that is designed to cut a wide range of materials quickly and easily, without the need to change blades. Its powerful 15-amp motor and adjustable depth make it perfect for a variety of applications, while its ergonomic design and dust extraction port make it easy and comfortable to use. Overall, the DeWalt DWS780 is a great miter saw that is perfect for a variety of projects. Its powerful motor and adjustable depth make it ideal for cutting through a variety of materials, while its ergonomic design and dust extraction port make it easy and comfortable to use. If you're looking for a top-quality miter saw that can handle a variety of projects, the DeWalt DWS780 is a great option. At number 4, Bosch Tools Track Saw. The Bosch GKT55 GCE track saw is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a variety of woodworking and carpentry applications. The plunge action and single bevel pivot point make it easy to make clean, precise cuts in wood and wood-based sheet goods, while the constant electronics and overload protection keep the motor running smoothly and prevent it from overheating. The efficient dust extraction system keeps the work area clean, and the swiveling hose port keeps the vacuum cleaner hose out of the way. The easy blade change system and tracking adjustment make it easy to get the perfect cut every time. At number 5, Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw. The Festool guide rail is a great way to get perfectly straight and splinter-free cuts. The spring-loaded riving knife splitter keeps the cut kerf open so that the material does not pinch the blade, which reduces the chance of kickback. The anti-static function is a great feature that helps to keep the blade from becoming dull. The blade changes are easier and safer using the FastFix system, which locks switch and arbor simultaneously for easy arbor bolt removal. The power consumption is 1200 watt, which is great for a saw of this size. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.